How to fix Spotify login verification problem. If you're facing this issue where you're not being able to verify the code or receive the code in order for you to log in, then in this situation what you can do is try to use a different verification method. So for example, if you're currently using a phone number to receive the code, then what you can do is use your email address. While using your email address, make sure you check the junk folders as well, because sometimes these emails may end up in those sort of folders. Now, if this is not the issue with you, then what you can look for is try to reset the password via the Spotify password reset page. So open up a web browser and search for Spotify password reset, and you'll be able to see this first link. Once you're inside, you need to add in your email address or your username, and then through this method you'll be able to reset your password. Through this process as well, you should be able to log in back. Now, if none of these solutions work out and you're still not being able to log into your account, then that likely means there is a server-side issue. In these situations, you just need to wait out a couple of hours before you can automatically or successfully log in back without having any issues. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.